In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Facebook page to Hootsuite. If you are managing social media from Hootsuite, connecting your Facebook page is one of the first steps you will want to complete. It allows you to schedule posts, monitor comments, and manage engagement in one place instead of switching between platforms. To begin, open Hootsuite in your browser and go to your workspace. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Settings area. This is usually where you control your connections and account options. When you find it, click Settings. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct workspace and that you can see the menu or page that includes your social account configuration. Next, you will navigate through the Settings menus. After you click Settings, find the section labeled Social Accounts and Teams. Click Social Accounts and Teams. This part matters because it is the area where Hootsuite organizes which social profiles you can connect, and it also controls who has access through Teams if your workspace uses that structure. Once you are in Social Accounts and Teams, you will want to narrow in to the specific place where social accounts are managed. Click Social Accounts. This should bring you to a page that lists any existing connected accounts. If you already connected something before, you will see those entries here. If you are doing this for the first time, the list may be empty or minimal, and that is completely fine.
Now you can start the connection process. Click Add a social account.
This button is the gateway to choosing which network you want to link. When you select it, Hootsuite will open a connection flow where you specify the type of social platform you are adding. At this point, you will select Facebook. Choose Facebook from the options that appear. This selection tells Hootsuite what kind of authorization you need and prepares the next steps for connecting a Facebook page specifically, not just a general account type. After you choose Facebook, you will be prompted to select the Facebook page you want to connect. Look for the option to select the Facebook page and then choose the correct page from the list shown on screen. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you select the one you actually want to post from and monitor in Hootsuite. Once the page is selected, you will need to follow the prompts to connect the page. These prompts are part of the secure authorization process, and they guide you through granting Hootsuite access to manage the selected page. Pay attention to what the prompts ask for, and confirm the connection where instructed. If the flow includes a permission step, review it briefly so you understand what Hootsuite will be able to do for your page. As you go through the prompts, stay on the same screen until you see a confirmation that the connection is complete. After that, return to the Social Accounts area if needed to verify the page shows up in the list of connected accounts. Seeing the page appear there is a good sign that the connection worked correctly. Finally, take a moment to ensure you are ready to use the page inside Hootsuite. Once the page is connected, you can begin scheduling posts, monitoring activity, and replying from within Hootsuite using the same integration you just set up. It covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.